In this video, we're going to dive into how to set up multi-channel outreach on Apollo.io and why it's one of the most powerful tools for modern outreach strategies. Whether you're looking to connect with more leads, automate your workflows, or streamline communication, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to get started. You can actually get started with Apollo.io for completely free from the first link below, where we've secured exclusive bonuses for you. But stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Apollo to maximize your outreach efforts. And I'll even share how you can extend your free trial to get even more from the platform. Let's jump right in. First things first, once you're logged into Apollo, the first step in setting up your multi-channel outreach is selecting the right channels. Apollo allows you to target prospects via email, phone, and even LinkedIn, all from one platform. This flexibility is key to running effective multi-channel campaigns. Start by creating a new campaign. You'll see an option to choose your audience. Apollo offers robust filters, allowing you to narrow down prospects based on job title, company size, industry, location, and more. This precision ensures you're targeting the right people for your outreach, which is crucial for success. Once you've filtered your audience, it's time to set up your messaging strategy. You'll have the ability to send personalized emails, automated phone calls, and even LinkedIn messages. The key to successful multi-channel outreach on Apollo.io is creating a sequence that spans across these channels. You can design a workflow where, for example, you send an initial email, follow it up with a phone call if there's no response, and then finish with a LinkedIn message to drive engagement. This sequence keeps your brand top of mind and increases the chances of a response. Apollo's multi-step workflows are easy to create. You can create sequences for each channel and set time delays between steps, so your outreach doesn't feel rushed or spammy. This automation saves you time and ensures consistent communication across multiple touchpoints. Plus, you can A/B test your sequences to see which approach works best. But here's where Apollo.io really stands out. You can monitor the performance of your outreach in real time. You'll get detailed reports that show how your emails are performing, how many people clicked on your links, and even how your calls and LinkedIn messages are being received. This data is critical for optimizing your campaigns and improving your outreach strategy. One of the hidden gems in Apollo is its ability to enrich your contacts with additional data like social media profiles and company information. This helps you craft more personalized messages and gives you a competitive edge when reaching out to leads. Apollo also integrates with CRM tools like Salesforce, so you can automatically push your contacts and outreach data into your CRM, streamlining your workflow even more. To wrap it up, the multi-channel outreach feature in Apollo.io is incredibly powerful and easy to use. By combining email, phone, and LinkedIn outreach into a single campaign, you'll be able to connect with prospects in a way that feels seamless and personal. And with the insights and automation Apollo offers, you'll be able to continuously improve your outreach and close more deals. Before you go, remember to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link below. Start leveraging Apollo.io's multi-channel outreach today and see the results for yourself. You won't regret it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out the description for more resources and start your journey to better outreach with Apollo.io.